We've come here to one of the trees that we can munch on in the month of May. It's the lime trees. Nothing to do with lemon and lime, the lime fruit. They're not related at all. But we have 3 lime trees in Britain: the large leaf lime, the small leaf lime and the common lime. And on all 3 of the limes, the leaves are edible. To identify a lime tree, what you're looking for is a tree which often has an upswept character to all its branches, and there's no blossom or flowers in spring. You're just looking for the leaf growth, which comes out at the end of April and is good well into the start of May. And what we're looking for are heart-shaped leaves. So you've got the bump of the heart at the base of the leaf where it meets the leaf stalk, and a pointed tip. The edge of the leaf margin, is also finely serrated or toothed, so look out for that as well. Now this is actually the large leaf lime, and if you feel it between your fingertips, you'll feel a slight hairiness. You don't get that with the leaves of the small leaf lime, but what you do get are larger leaves, hence the name. So you do get a lot more food when you're out gathering quickly, because the leaves are, at this time of year, twice the size of those of the small leaf lime. But what do they taste like? That all-important question. Okay, definitely getting the hairiness here. They don't taste like a lot, to be honest. A bit like the hawthorn leaves earlier in the season. These are ones that you gather and throw into a salad for bulk, but they're nice and tender. There's certainly none of that bitterness that you do get with many spring greens, so if that bitter flavour puts you off, try out the lime leaves. Although you don't get as much bang for your buck with the small leaf lime, I prefer this for a wild food, because although you have to pick more because the leaves are smaller, they don't have that hairy quality to them. And I find these young leaves much more tender, so better to go in a salad. I think they make a good wild food. If you live in an urban area, you might well be familiar with limes because they're often planted to line street sides and in town parks as well, because they're a tall, stately tree. However, you might have a bit of a love-hate relationship with them, because these are the trees which attract a lot of aphids, which produce the honeydew, which drip down onto your car and produce all those sticky spots all over your car, which can be a bit of a nightmare to wash off. But there's some good eating to be had there. But as always, when we're foraging in urban spaces, be smart about where you're picking from. Always pick from a clean space.